So you're pretty much going to take off almost all of the screws that you see. I'll tell you which ones not to take off. You take off all of the screws pretty much, just like until this piece pops off. Oh, wait. Pop these off so you can take the ribbon cable out. Be very careful on the ribbon cable, don't break it, and when you put it back in, make sure it is straight, like 100% straight. Get this off, you can see, you just pull and the ribbon cable comes right out. You just pull up. Damn camera. There we go. Now, this piece comes off. So after you remove the two on the side and, oh, missed these two. So after you remove these screws and these two right here, this piece pops off. And then you have another ribbon cable right here. On this one you want to push down and it comes out. And after all that, you are left with this piece. So you want to take a heat gun or a hair dryer, heat around the edges as much as you can, and take a knife, something like this, and just go around the edges. This one's a little harder, so try and heat it up a little bit extra, but be careful of the LCD, just heat around the edges. So putting this ribbon cable back in, if it's not up, just pull up a little bit and you'll know when she's in, and then just push down. So we put this ribbon cable back in. Once again, make sure it's straight. On this one you can tell because there's a line. There's a white line showing you it's straight right here. This one also has a line showing you if it's straight. And this one is just a plug. And then how to put this one back in. This one, all you do is you just push it in.